In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Figma to WordPress. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a finished design in Figma and pass it through a plugin that converts your selected frame into a WordPress-ready layout. First, open the Figma website in your browser and load the project you want to work on. Give yourself a moment to scan the file. A clean, well-organized design makes this process smoother. Make sure the screen you want to export lives inside a single top-level frame, like a desktop or mobile frame, and that layers are named clearly. Consistent text styles and color styles help the plugin interpret your design. If you're using images, confirm they're placed as fills or proper assets and not just temporary placeholders. This quick prep avoids avoidable hiccups during conversion. Next, open the Actions menu in Figma. This is the quick way to find commands and tools without digging through multiple menus. From there, head into Plugins. In the search field, type Figma to WordPress. When you see the plugin appear, select it and click Run. This will open the plugin panel on the side of your screen, ready to guide the conversion. Inside the plugin, identify the exact frame you want to transfer. Selecting the right frame is important because the tool converts one frame at a time. Click the frame in your canvas or confirm it in the plugin's frame selector, then choose Convert to WordPress. This tells the plugin to analyze the layers, layout, images, and text inside that frame and map them to a WordPress-friendly structure. At this point, the transformation begins. You'll typically see a progress indicator as the plugin processes your design. Larger or highly detailed frames may take a bit longer, so be patient and avoid switching frames mid-process. If the plugin flags a missing font, an oversized image, or a layout conflict, take note of the message, pause the conversion, adjust your design, and then try again. Small fixes, like compressing images or tightening up auto layout settings, can make a big difference. When the process completes, you should see a confirmation that the conversion finished successfully. That's your cue that the frame has been translated into a WordPress-ready output by the plugin. If you plan to convert multiple pages, simply repeat the same approach for each frame. And that's it. You opened your project, prepped the design, launched the plugin, selected the frame, clicked Convert to WordPress, and let the tool handle the heavy lifting.